If you want to do TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or long form, any kind of appearance on the camera, you need to have confidence and the charisma. This is what I'm going to give you. 3 big steps and hacks to gain that confidence. Here we go. So the first step is to study the masters, the speakers, the one gets on the stage and deliver big speeches. And occasionally you can study, it's like, I have a dream speech, Hitler speech. I'm like, all of those people, they have, it's like you're going to hear the wind. This becomes coming harder. It's a windy night. But anyway, and then you can watch podcasts every day. And when you don't have the time, you can just watch small TED Talk. They always, you can listen to them, you can figure out the voice tonality, when they scream, when they speak low, when they have, what kind of hand gestures they're going to do with their hands. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm dancing, I just need to take off. It's a joke. But anyway, like, I'm just trying new stuff here every time. So second step is that when you're recording outside, let me bring the phone, 1 minute. So I just got the phone to explain to you. So if you're recording in the streets and you're just worried that people are going to like watch what you're doing, or you may get caught. Because I did get caught. I was recording this bird, that bird, and the person told me, hey, you recording me? I was like, oh no, I just recorded that bird. And it was like, oh no, bro, I'm just having fun with you. You can just post it anyway. It's like, but at the moment when I turned, someone called me and they were like a couple. And he said, bro, you do TikTok? I was like, he's like, give me, I need to check. You may just caught us. And I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, let's check the video. And I showed them the video, and they were not there. And the girl was like, you just got to tell him to delete that first. But no, they were not in the video. You know what? I was like, the window, the winds. I think I'm far away from the video. I should be here closer. So as you record, in this is recording something, recording. Just make sure to turn the phone down. Sometimes when you see people closer, you're recording, turn it down. Okay? Also, if you're recording like this, if you don't have the confidence, as you record like this, it's like, you're making a video. When you talk to the camera, pretend like you're doing a phone call. There's nobody. But maybe you'll be recording, you open the camera and recording, you just talk. So like, yeah, bro, I just told you about this, and this is the store, this is the restaurant I told you about, we're gonna go check it out right now. And you just pretend like you talk to someone. And you can take off the audio later in the edit. Which take me to as you're recording like this, you can just also pretend like you're showing the place. So we go to that road, and you're going to turn to the left, like I just did, and you give him instructions. But you can take all the audio and you just make it good B-rolls. But again, which takes me to the most important part. I'm giving the phone back to my mom and come back. So let me take you to that point, which is that I just said it's in the edit that you gain the confidence. Is that you're going to make. Because as you're going to speak, you're going to get tired, you're going to say things, stuff, as I'm doing, you're going to stumble about your words, you're not going to be prepared. You can always have a notes beside you, and you can just look at your notes, you can just do this, you look at it, and you can get to the camera and just say the things. And you can cut this part, so they don't know. So in the edit, you're going to figure out what gestures you're going to do, what's going to be with your voice tone, all this stuff. You will learn them in the edit. It's when you learn to gain the confidence. Whew, how was it? I hope you liked. As a final tip, here's a bonus, as a final tip for those who stayed. I just forget, so let me check my notes. It's on this phone. Oh yeah, so the final step is that you're gonna gain the flow as you go in the video, and you're gonna have more energy, so you should always keep the final words to be the last, because that's okay. I'm not gaining energy.